guys, this is Mr. Smith, and it's Friday, and you know what that means. We like to do fun things on Friday. We always tried to make Fridays fun. In Room 210, you guys know that. We usually did fun things. I don't know, sometimes Fridays were boring, but mostly we had fun. So I thought we'd do a Minecraft math lesson, because you guys seem to like the Minecraft math lesson. And I've heard from a couple of you that you've enjoyed watching me on videos. I know I miss you too, guys. So what I'm going to do, actually, let me explain where this is. This actually is a world that is near and dear to my heart. This world is where I learned with my brother and my kids how to be a YouTuber. We had a nice Minecraft server that we played on. We played together, we made videos, it was great. So anyways, I want to rebuild this barn. So I need to figure out how big of a spot to lay out in my new world that I've been making videos for you guys. I made at least one. Remember, with all the chickens in the ground, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Anyways, so I want to figure out how big a space I need for my barn. So, if only there was a word that described the outside edge of a rectangle. Oh my gosh, there is, guys. We learned about perimeter, right? So we're going to figure out what the perimeter is of... There's a fence post missing. We're going to figure out... Sorry, I'm distractible. We're going to figure out the perimeter of this barn, and then we're going to lay out a spot in my other world that you guys have seen, and we're going to start building a barn. Hopefully I'll have a barn that looks a little cute barn. I don't want a big... I have a bigger barn over there I might show you, but this is a little one. It's not a lot of work, so I want to build something like this. So we're going to figure out what the perimeter of this rectangle is that this barn sits on. So guys, you remember we count the sides, right? And then we add all of the numbers together. This is just like if you measured, this would be a foot. So let's count. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this side is 7. And then this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, it's almost a square, but it's not. It's 7 by 8. So we need to lay out a 7 by 8 rectangle. So we're going to figure out what the perimeter of that is. And since we can't do it on the whiteboard or the smart board, I have a virtual whiteboard that we can use. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is going to be our whiteboard because we can't have a whiteboard together. So I don't know what that is up there. Anyways, so if we've gone over this, remember we did our measurement unit. If this side is 7 inches and this side is 8 inches, I'm going to ask you a question and I'm going to pause and see if you know the answer. How many inches is this side and how many inches would this side be? I'm going to give you a second. Okay, so guys, if you remember the rules of a rectangle, if this side is 7 inches, this side is also 7 inches. If this side is 8 inches, this side is also 8 inches. So we can figure this out. We can figure this out by adding all the numbers together. So we can do 8 plus 8. Sorry, I'm not good at drawing with this. Plus 7 plus 7. Okay? So guys, I'm going to give you a second. You figure out what the answer to this is, and then I'll add it together. So I'm going to give you a clue. It's easier if you add these two numbers and these two numbers first. So take a minute to do that. Okay, so 8 plus 8. Let's see, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this side's going to be 16. So these two together are 16. If we have 7, hey, guess what? 7's one less than 8, so we can erase one of these, right, on each line. So now we have, this is like kind of like multiplication, guys. We have 2 groups of 7. Some of you remember me talking about that. So if we count 2 groups of 7, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So guys, now we have, let's not erase. Now we have 16 plus 14. So this is a little bit of a tricky math problem. So we're going to figure this out. You guys remember we've done those lessons with the blocks, with the little green blocks. So This is a little bit tricky, but I know you guys can do it. I should use a bigger eraser than that. We can just leave the blocks there. It doesn't matter. Okay, so 6 plus 4. If I have 6 and I add 4 more, that's 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is the ones. This is the ones column, right? We can't put a 10 down here. So we have to put a 0 here and a 1 here. Now, guys, we've got 3 ones to count, right? So we can count those, right? 1, 2, 3. So the perimeter of our barn is 30. So we need to have a 30 perimeter rectangle in my new world to make our barn. So I'm going to have to find a spot to do that. Hey guys, I'm back, and we're back at our house. Remember, we built this house kind of together. Well, yeah, we did build it together. I thought we did. And but I gotta put some stuff away, and I have a better, a nice problem to solve. So this is my new storage area. So take a look at this. This is pretty cool. There's a lot of chickens. I don't know if you can hear that. Anyways, so I've got some stuff to put away. Look at this, guys. I got 19 diamonds. I already had 40 diamonds. So guys, how many diamonds would I have? So what do you guys need to do? What 2 numbers do we know? We know that I have 40 and I have 19. So if I want to know the total amount, guys, what's it going to be? If I'm finding a total, that means I'm going to do an addition problem. So we're going to do 40 plus 19, and we're going to figure out how much that is. All right, guys, so here we have 40 plus 19. That's the math problem we have to do. So here we have 10, 20, 30, 40. And here we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this bottom number has 9 ones. This top number has 0 ones. So what number am I going to put down here, guys? I know you know it. It's 9. So this side's going to be 9. Now, this bottom one has 1 row of 10s. And the top one has 4 rows of 10s. So we have to add 4 plus 1. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer to how many diamonds Mr. Smith has is he's rich. No, I have 59 diamonds. That's pretty good. Let's go back to Minecraft and see if we're right. Of course we're right. All right, so we're going to put the 40 diamonds with the 19 diamonds. Let's see if it equals 59. Hey, 59. Look at that. We did some math. All right, let's go find a spot for our barn, guys. There's a lot of chickens in there. I made the system to hold all the eggs. You want a math problem? Figure out how many eggs these are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 rows of 9 in each chest. I don't really want you to figure this out. There's 2 chests full. 6 rows of 9 and 2 chests full. You want extra credit in math? Figure out how many eggs I have. Uh-oh. You guys know what that means. It's nighttime. I gotta sleep. This is my horsey, by the way. Look, it's a horsey. He's a very nice horsey. There's a lot of cows, too. We're gonna figure out a place for this barn right after we sleep, alright, guys? This is my nicely decorated house. Thank you. Thank you. I didn't clean up. I didn't know you guys were coming. I'm just kidding. It's nice and clean anyways. Alright, let's go figure out a 7 by 8 by 7 by 8 place to put this barn. I also built this nice path and this bridge over to this area, which is where I want to build the barn. I thought this would be a nice place for a barn, maybe some cows, maybe some horses. I could move those cows away from my house. They keep me up at night. They're mooing all night long. It's terrible. Anyways, so, wow, look at this. Let's see if this spot is big enough. Let's lay down some cobblestone. See if it's 7. See if we can do 7 by 8 by 8. Let's start this way. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now we got to count that block because that's where it starts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the first part. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, this is going to be where our barn is. This is a perfect spot, I think. I think it looks good. So anyways, guys, I just want to say that some of you have been working so hard with this distance learning. We actually have an achievement for math. We have worked on 10 hours of IXL math. Now, some of that we did in class. Some of that we did before the school closure. But a lot of that was done by you guys this week. And I just want to say thank you. It has warmed my heart how much some of you guys are working. The other ones of you, I know you're going to log in and work real hard too. We're just working on getting you devices and getting you up to speed with how to log in and everything. But I know you're going to do a great job. You're going to make me so proud. So anyways, guys, this has been some Minecraft math. We figured out how rich Mr. Smith is with 19 diamonds. Sorry, I don't give any loans. Hey, we trapped a pig. Look at that. Remember in the first episode, the pig came and bothered me while I was trying to record? Anyways, guys, thanks so much. This has been a great first week of distance learning, and I really do appreciate it. That's one of the reasons I want to do this. I wanted to do this fun math lesson with you and let you watch me be bad at Minecraft and be bad at drawing on the Microsoft Paint, which is not as much fun as doing it together with you on the whiteboard, but we're going to be able to do that soon. Anyways, guys, thanks so much and have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.